BMW G310R best motorcycle for beginners. The world of motorcycling beckons with its allure of freedom, excitement, and exploration. For beginners stepping into this exhilarating realm, choosing the right motorcycle is a pivotal decision that shapes their journey. Enter the BMW G310R, a bike that seamlessly blends performance, sophistication, and approachability. With its potent engine, agile handling, and brand prestige, the G310R stands as an exceptional choice for novice riders seeking an inspiring introduction to the world of motorcycling. Efficient performance and control. The heart of the BMW G310R is a robust 313cc single-cylinder engine that strikes a harmonious balance between power and manageability. This engine delivers a controlled and refined performance that allows beginners to experience acceleration and speed without compromising their comfort or confidence. Agile handling for skill development. The G310R's lightweight chassis and nimble handling characteristics create an ideal platform for beginners to develop their riding skills. Novice riders can confidently navigate urban environments, negotiate corners, and enhance their riding techniques, all while building a foundation of confidence. Distinctive design and elegance. The G310R's design mirrors BMW Motorrad's ethos of refined aesthetics. Its modern and sophisticated appearance, characterized by clean lines and distinctive elements, reflects the bike's attention to detail and elegance, appealing to riders with an appreciation for both style and substance. Ergonomics for riding comfort. BMW has meticulously designed the G310R's ergonomics to prioritize rider comfort. Its upright seating position, well-placed handlebars, and ergonomic seat offer a riding experience that minimizes fatigue during short commutes and extended journeys alike. Advanced safety and modern technology. Safety is paramount, especially for beginners, and the G310R addresses this concern with optional features such as ABS, anti-lock braking system, that enhance braking control and stability. Modern technology, including a digital display and LED lighting, adds to the bike's overall appeal. Craftsmanship and brand prestige. The BMW name carries a legacy of craftsmanship, innovation, and prestige. As beginners choose the G310R, they become part of a community that appreciates the brand's commitment to excellence and its dedication to delivering exceptional motorcycles. Diverse riding experiences. The G310R's versatility allows it to excel in various riding scenarios. From urban commutes to leisurely rides on winding roads, the bike's adaptable performance and comfortable ergonomics make it a suitable companion for different environments. Encouraging skill progression. The G310R is designed to evolve alongside riders as they gain confidence and skill. Beginners can progressively explore the bike's capabilities, gradually expanding their horizons and refining their riding abilities. Community and enthusiast bonding. BMW Motorrad's community of enthusiasts shares a passion for the brand's motorcycles and the lifestyle they represent. Joining this community offers beginners access to a wealth of knowledge, camaraderie, and shared experiences that enhance their journey as motorcyclists. Long-term enjoyment and growth. The G310R's performance, design, and brand prestige ensure that it remains a satisfying choice even as riders advance in their skills. Its adaptability and potential for growth make it a bike that can accompany beginners on a rewarding journey of exploration and self-discovery. Conclusion. The BMW G310R exemplifies the perfect fusion of performance and approachability, providing novice riders with an exceptional introduction to the world of motorcycling. With its efficient engine, agile handling, elegant design, and commitment to safety, the G310R offers a comprehensive riding experience that resonates with beginners seeking an inspiring entry into two-wheeled exploration. By choosing the G310R, beginners embark on a journey characterized by growth, skill development, and the unrivaled joy of riding a motorcycle that bears the hallmark of BMW's legacy of excellence and innovation.